Ellie and
Alicia.
What problem are you working on, Ellie?
Well, the problem is that we kept on having to stay in all lunchtime for like an hour to watch the ice melt because every 5 minutes we'd have to take the temperature with the infrared thermometer.
So what are you trying to find out, though?
We're trying to see if which one is more sustainable, and we figured out that if you have if you cut out two sides on the on horizontally, then it would stay longer and it's more sustainable.
Excellent. So what do you think is going to happen? Do you both want to make a prediction?
Well, I think that when you put the aluminium foil in, it might be a bit slower than when it's not there.
Would you like to add to that?
I also think that the aluminium foil will slow it down because it's an insulator, and I think we should it depends on the temperature as well in the classroom.
The outside temperature? Yeah. So what do you think, if it's hot outside, what's going to happen to your ice inside?
Well, I think we both think, that it's probably going to melt more because the heat comes from outside unless the door's closed to inside, and then unless you don't unless there's a smaller hole, I think that the ice will melt.
Okay. So just tell me, have you been having a lot of fun this term doing science, Ellie?
Yes, I have a lot because it's fun to do these experiments and learn about lots of things.
Excellent. And what about you? Have you had fun too?
Yes, we've learnt about the difference between temperature and heat,
and quantity rather,
and also conductors and insulators.
Yeah. Like for example, metal is a really good conductor and wood is like a bad conductor but a good insulator, I think. Yeah. And paper is a good insulator as well.
So something I noticed in just talking to you for this short amount of time that you're using scientific language. That's really wonderful. So, puzzling again, do you think you want to do science for a job later on?
I might use chemistry because I want to help animals, and if they might need medicine, and I have to kind of use chemistry for that.
Okay. What about you, Ellie?
Well, I wouldn't like doing it for a job for a living, but I would like having some fun doing it when I'm older, just not as a job though.
So why wouldn't you do it for a living?
Well, I'm not a big fan of science for a living just because I like really cooking, sort of.
Cooking can be scientific.
Can it?
Well, you have to work out how much heat will make butter melt, for example. So maybe you could be a cooking scientist.
Okay.
Is that a good idea?
Maybe.
Thank you so much, both of you, for talking to me this morning. It was really fun. I enjoyed it very much.